Hey guys, what's up? Look at Eldon. He's- he's- I cannot. Let me do the intro. Let me do the intro. Let me do the intro again. 1 second. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey guys, Hey guys, how are you guys? What am I talking? Hey guys, how are you guys? I'm fine. Oh my god. Anyways, right now, yesterday night we cut the cake at 12 o'clock. That was on Friday. No, yeah, Friday. Today is Saturday. The 21st. Today is 21st, Saturday. So now we are on the way to go to his place. And we have two functions today. First is Cletus's son's first birthday. And the second is his mom's and dad's anniversary on the same day. One is in the afternoon, one is the evening, but a lot of preparations are going on. Yeah. Kitasaga time zalo. Kitasaga time zalna. Badya time zalo. Sorry. Isn't this so beautiful? Our Lady is already here. I feel so happy, you know. It's been, I think, almost 3 to 4 years. I've not got Our Lady properly in our place. And look at this guy.
Where's my phone?
See, again he's doing service. The couples are taking pictures. तो समजा vloggaचे येतात गेलो. Clarissa, you miss him now a lot in London. यहाँ फोटो काढून गेलं.
टाइम झाला प्लेटाचा हाडा व्लॉगाचे एकदा आलं मला
Here go. The twins are here finally. Guys, photo bombing is fun. Photo session. Couple is dancing in my vlog. It's her twin sister. So I'm a girl who loves sunny days and hates dull days. But again, if it's an almost rainy season in India, so can't predict the weather at the moment. It will start raining. It might start raining in the evening or in the afternoon somewhere. Chiku. Okay. The saddest part is the days are running quite fast. We hardly got time to do anything this time, but a lot of work was completed, which is good. It's a good thing. Got biryani by kilo, and they served us with mud pot. So good, with the container on the top of it. With a lid, not container, sorry, lid on top of it. The biryani looks yummy and delicious. I can't wait to eat it. So
Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Very yummy.
in India, you have to be extra careful because people will just randomly, you'll see them crossing on the road.
They want to die.
It's not want to die. They just see.
No.
For the example, look at this one. Huh?
Maybe they have
Look at this one. He'll just start crossing the road.
Insurance maybe.
So you have to be extra careful. For anyone who is coming to India, okay, any part, you have to be extra careful while driving on the roads. People will just cross and they will go. See this lady. Amen. You just see it? Have you just seen it? No. Have you seen it? Yes. Have you seen it? This is Margaon bus stop, the main bus stop. Where you come?
I've come to irritate you.
Full day he's irritating me. I come to Chandan Sweet Mart in Akem. You get amazing samosas and chutney. This is literally how he eats samosa. Look at him.
You know what time it is?
Idiot. Tissue paper dena please. One samosa over here is around 12 rupees. In pounds it will be around, if you're coming to India, maybe around 12 pence.
Yeah, almost
12 pence. When you go to eat samosa and all, no? Or in India especially, always go to the sweet marts. They make the best.
Yeah, because this chutney you won't get in any other place. Look at my chutney.
What do you think about chutney?
You don't get in any other place. Mom and dad, when they used to go to Margaon, they used to bring this. And I used to wait like when will I get my chutney, the samosa.
Three samosas, each of 12 rupees, that was 36, and one bottle of water, 20 rupees. So in total it was 56. How much is it? If you keep £1 is equal to
Almost like
£1 is equal to 100 rupees. If you keep in that calculation, £1 is
It's
equal
90.
to now right now it's 97. Right now it's around 97. But if you keep it in a calculation of £1 is equal to 100,
गिर गया भाई.
the total price has come up to 56 pence. Okay.